Okay, customer walks in the door and they want some copies or something. We do everything we can to kind of discourage that business, but we are a full service print shop serving our community, so we do some of that stuff if they like our pricing. Sally takes the order here at the front desk and then comes all the way to the back corner of the shop where we set up our digital press. It's a long ways to go. And then what happens is Sally's our face with the customers, right? She answers the phones. Another customer comes in the door and no one's there to be with them. It's not good. We are moving the digital press all the way up to the front of the shop that way. We've already taken down a lot of our shelving. No, we are not moving this behemoth. It is staying right here. We've moved the lasers from up there to back here. I already have a hole cut for the exhaust, so we will just hook it up to that. You got to get some additional piping for that. But the fiber laser will be set up in this area as well. So we're doing a lot of flip-flopping. Biggest issue was the 220. There's a 220 outlet for this machine, which means we need that set up over there. One thing I've learned owning this shop is it pays huge dividends to have a good relationship with a really good electrician. Case in point, when my landlords first set up this place for me, it was really important the way that I have, outlets set up on different circuits and things like that. And they hired a electrician with a cocaine addiction, and for real, and took them for a ride for a lot of money. And this is what he did. See that? He daisy chained. Look at that, all the way down. Daisy chained this entire column all on one circuit. Did the same thing on that end. And so we have had to go through, and I have paid out of my own money to get this completely redone professionally. Got this completely redone. 3-phase power, the whole works. So it's been a lot. This row needs to get redone still, and so does my back wall. I needed to get some electricity up quickly, so my electrician has hooked me up with a temporary outlet with this humongous cable. This is just a temporary solution until I'm able to get them to come in and redo this entire side here. I was at another print shop in Wilmington the other day, and they had 3 digital presses there, and they had them lined up perpendicular to the wall so that you could go around each of them. Takes up a lot less wall space, obviously. Takes up more floor space, I guess. But I really liked that, so I think that's what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna tape this off, so this would be, where it comes out. It comes out about 12 feet. But then we're also putting our shelving for paper perpendicular as well. So I think this setup will work. We got the slitter cutter creaser here, and then we moved over our paper folding machine, and then our Mac that powers our digital press is going to be sitting right here. All right, so my Xerox reps from Levify are set to come in today. So they're gonna be here this morning to move this. I am not going to attempt to move this thing myself because, something goes wrong with it, that's on me. And I don't want that to happen. You know, I was really apprehensive when I got the digital press. We moved in here over a year ago, last March, and the first thing that got put in here was the digital press. It was set up the week we were moving over here. I didn't know where to put it. We just had it put in the very back, you know. I was like, I don't know, we'll put it in the back. Well, paper printing is our number one thing, like by a long shot, and I love it. It's just, I'm not gonna say it's easy money, but it's easier than anything else that we do in the shop. There's no installation work that comes with signage. There's no having to go out and measure stuff. It's way easier than screen printing, I'll tell you that. So it's just really, really good business, and I want to grow it. And I want customers, when they walk in the door, you know, they've been seeing the lasers, which is such a small portion of our business. I want them to see that we do this. There's a lot of growth areas in our community, I feel like, for the paper printing side. There's a lot of potential clients that we have that we really need to go after and target for that. So I want to grow that business. Sally is very proficient at running the digital press, running the slitter cutter, creaser, folding machine, all that stuff, guillotine cutter. So since we have a small team, it's just me, Sally, and Chelsea, our graphic designer, she's going to take on the responsibility of the paper printing side of the business. So for her to be able to still be near the customers, but be here, it's going to be incredibly helpful. And then that takes a load off me so that I could focus on wide format. I have days where I focus on screen printing, but I'm hoping to hire a full-time screen printer soon, so then I'm just focused on wide format.